Morning, chaps and chapesses. Well, I think it might be afternoon now. Let me just stop and have a look at that. You can see the driving rain just over the top of the hills there. Keep blowing that way, boys. Come on, keep them blowing. Not my way. You can see it better there, just over the back of that farmyard. Driving rain. Yeah, look at this. It's been lovely, absolutely lovely. And if you remember, I came from all the way over there. Brilliant. Oh, look at it now. Can you see the rain swirling across? Isn't that fantastic? You look to the left of that farmhouse and you can see it moving to your left across the trees. How brilliant is that? You can just see it moving. See the dark green trees? You can see it moving across them now. Oh, brilliant. You don't get to see that often. There it is. See it driving now across that section. If you watch that skyline just there, you'll see it move across. Well, hopefully you will. I can see it, and I've got rubbish eyes. Wow. Ho ho ho! It's a bit windy. What am I, 11.82 miles in at the moment? Look at that. Beautiful blue sky there. Swivel it round and you've got driving rain there going through that valley. I'm hoping it clears before I get there, because that's my route, is over there in that direction. Ho 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 ho! And we've got top off. Right, well I'm going to say bye now, because I just thought you'd like to see that driving rain. As long as it drives that way, keep driving that way. Say bye, chaps and chapesses. Say bye, Pip, bye, Pip, bye, Pip.